If you already own stocks on Wealthsimple, you may be able to earn some extra income by lending those shares to other investors. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on stock lending in the Wealthsimple app, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app. Once you're on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Now tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Inside settings, look for automations and tap on it. Next, look for stock lending and select it. You'll now see the stock lending section, where Wealthsimple shows you the accounts that are eligible for the program. From here, you can choose which accounts you want to enable for stock lending. Before you turn it on, Wealthsimple will show you information about how stock lending works, including the agreement and associated risks. Take a moment to read through this information, then review and sign the agreement if you decide you want to participate. Once you confirm your selection, stock lending will be enabled for the account you selected. And that's it. Wealthsimple can now lend eligible shares from your account to other investors when there is demand for them. In return, you receive a portion of the income generated from lending those shares. There are a couple of important things to keep in mind. First, simply turning on stock lending does not guarantee that your shares will actually be lent out. It depends on demand for the securities you own. Second, you still own your investments and can sell your shares while they are being lent. However, while shares are on loan, you temporarily give up voting rights associated with those shares. Also, stock lending income is not necessarily going to be the same every month. The amount can vary depending on demand and the securities being lent. So, if you already hold stocks for the long term and want to potentially earn some additional income from them, stock lending may be worth looking into. Just make sure you understand the risks and terms before enabling it. And that's how you enable stock lending on Wealthsimple. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.